makes this game so fucking pretty? Like, oh my fucking god.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
This shit looks so fucking beautiful.
I'm like, why do they feel like they went to other planets, start taking photos, and just like, all right, here's what we about to do. Copy, paste.
Nah, for real, dude.
I'm like, where did you guys come up with this shit?
Pretty lights.
Yeah, right? Pretty lights.
Do you hear that?
What the hell?
You better turn the fuck around, nigga.
Yeah, he's already playing some stuff. Alright, here we go. How are you looking over there, Nikki? How are you looking?
At the moment, A-okay.
Damn, they're on that ass. Alright, I got the breach behind you. Oh shit, maybe not.
Damn, that nursing spear one-shot me. I cannot believe it.
Nah, bitch, you was not about to charge. You dead.
Love how he reinforced me in the middle of the fucking bug spawn.
I thought maybe you could land on the charger.
Yo, can you throw a nade in there? A dead bug is blocking the hole for me.
I got you. Nigga, I said I got it. Alright, here we go. Here's some samples. Yo. Alright, next one. Oh shit.
I'm turning. No, you don't. Carlito, you getting your
my
samples?
shit's over here.
Yeah, grab your shit.
This game is so fucking hard.
There's a charger to go.
I know. I already shot it with
blown his legs off.
Woo!
Damn!
Oh my god.
Punched him, dude.
I got some of them.
Yeah. This shit does look pretty cool, I'm not gonna hold you. It's blowing everything with lasers over here.
Well, there's a charger. I'm not challenging that shit to hell.
I'm challenging.
Yeah, you're burning his ass up, dude.
No, if I'm hitting it like on the bottom.
Epic, dude. Epic. Oh, there's a charger.
It's still alive.
Sure is. I'm blowing him up. Stay there. Stay right there. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Damn bastard, he's moving.
Oh, fuck.
Oh my
so
god.
irritating, bro.
Oh,
I got him though. Let's go.
Like, I legit was confused. I know, I accidentally called the fucking thing and it bounced down here.
Cross behind you. Behind you.
Oh, nice.
Let me drop this shit here.
I don't know what's worse, a bile spear or a nursing spear. I really can't make up my mind on that one.
The bile one is worse because they're armored. At least these ones you could shoot their fucking heads off.
Damn, a charger. Fuck. Got nothing.
Yo, get back. If that laser doesn't fuck.
That shit's actually killing his ass. Granada!
Nigga, I told you.
Damn! I got it.
Eagle 1, drawing to rearm.
Ow.
Yo, they're on his ass, bro. He can't see.
Oh my fucking god. I
Yo,
just did so much
obliteration, liquidation, bro.
Alright.
Alright, put it in, Carlos. Go ahead.
Put it in where?
Right there.
Oh, right there.
Alright, you're good to go, Nikki. Nikki!
Yeah, I know. Oop, there we go. Now it loaded. It wasn't loaded yet, and I saw a fucking...
Nice.
Now we head back the other way.
Yeah, let's go. They're coming through. We don't got time for this.
After we kill the spawns of Satan, yes.
There's something down there.
Yep.
Oh shit, it's a bitch.
Really? Where?
Yeah.
Nice discovery, Antonio.
Whoa! She pushed me like a mile away, bro.
Clear the area, Nikki. Run away, now.
I'm trying. I have a fucking invisible bitch in front of me.
God damn it. I think it's Dave.
Did I kill anything with that?
Did you? Like, seriously? I
Oh
got
my
like
god, no, I
everybody
didn't.
ever on me right
Wait,
now.
is this the stalker lair? This is the nest. This is their nest. This is their nest. You're all mine. I'm killing all you fucks.
I got
in
no
spawn.
explosives. Of course, I'm right by
I
this
got
damn
it.
thing.
I got.
No, right here.
Oh shit, my bad. I didn't even look around.
Permanent hive structure.
I thought you were here with me in the stalker nest. You know, those invisible bitches.
Why isn't it on me, bro?
Mission at 30 minutes remaining.
Kobe, this bitch. Kobe. Kobe.
Oh my god, this is taking
Dumbass bitch.
damn near
Dumbass bitch.
forever.
Dumbass bitch.
Hello?
Oh my fucking god, what the hell is...
Jesus. He's on my ass, bro.
Show me the ass.
Nice. Yeah, I'm coming. Yeah, wait. Yeah, fuck. Normally that kind of stuff only happens when I'm fighting robots.
Once my shotgun's empty, it's over. And I'm on half a clip left of my pistol, so...
Yeah, I'm not seeing.
Oh, you need ammo?
I need
No,
resupply,
we
yeah.
gotta call down the hell bomb.
Well, I need both. The hell bomb and ammo.
Dude has no head. He's still
I
running.
wonder if I'll survive
Yeah,
this close to the
They're
overhead
dying.
tonight.
When they have no head, they're just dying.
Yeah, he was like charging at me. I was like, "Are you good,
Yeah, they
bro?"
try to get that one swing left. It's a, it's a pain. First, that. Second, that. 1, 2, 3.
I killed it, by the way.
Whoa.
Ooh. I hate those things.
I'm the fuck on, bro.
Why do you think I continued running?
Yo, this shit is pissing me off, bro.
It's the little fuckers, right?
No, I just keep getting hoarded. Like, the fuck? Every time I heal myself, I die. Like, what the hell is this?
No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. Bitch!
Hmm?
You want your shit? You want me to throw you in your
Here.
shit?
Oh shit, we gotta activate the fucking terminal.
Where is your shit?
Right, just right there is good.
I gotta reload regardless.
Request approved. Reinforcements have been launched.
Alright. Forget.
Yo, they're coming back, tons.
That sounded like a Titan spawning.
Oh, these are my stuff. Okay.
You found your shit? I do
Yeah,
have your
I actually
samples
found it. I
just
should
in
just running
case.
away.
No heals. Help, 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 help,
Wow,
help.
I can't make this shit up, dude.
I'm coming.
Request approved. Reinforcements on the way.
Guy was literally under attack. I had full HP. Get touched by it just a little bit. Instant death.
Where are you, Carlos? Because you're...
Oh my
The ammo things are right
Requesting orbital. Sending in an
here.
eagle.
Oh shit. We gotta run. We gotta run. We gotta run. SMG coming out.
Prepare to exterminate.
Quit puking on me, please. I like my life.
Rare sample acquired.
I'm glad I shotgun that thing. That thing was about to puke all over you.
Mm-hmm.
Let's get your shit here.
Requesting walker.
Is it 100 times already? I'm not too...
I fucking love it.
For me, it just tickles the bugs more than anything.
That's how I'm getting most of my kills is this fucking cannon, to be honest.
Seriously?
No,
What the
stop
fuck?
reloading and fucking shoot. Oh!
Back up, Nikki. Run, 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 Nikki, run, run, Nikki, run.
I'm trying. My guy wouldn't get up. Oh, that's a precision. Okay, I don't have to go too far.
Never mind, this ain't gonna take a million years to spawn in.
It's because of our, like, when you open up the map, it's complex. Oh, you
Yeah.
died? Oh, shit, you already called him right there. Okay, I was gonna try to throw him across the water.
Request approved. Reinforcements have been launched.
Dude, they're all coming from over. Oh, shit. Huh. Dude, why did my shit not get called? Did it cancel my calling? Stop spinning.
Are
No
you serious?
shot. As soon as I stunned him, you died. Ow.
Freedom never sleeps.
Alright, let's take care of this nest and get the objective and go home.
Go home, he says.
Please. I have 3 wives and 4 kids.
Yeah.
My family needs me.
Yeah, ship. Take care of him. Watch out, Tony. That chick can crush you.
Mm-hmm.
Let's get this fucking nest that creates problems out of the way. Nice.
They did, man. I was walking into that kind of stuff.
Oh, there's a nest right behind the objective.
Yo, no
Interesting.
shot, yo. The fucking... Oh, man. Oh, thank God it died. Yo. Oh, there's another one. Yo, give me your ass. Without killing me, please.
I can't believe I just did that. That was so awesome. I dolphin dived, right? And there was a bomb right behind me, and the bug jumped to kill me, and I blew up the bomb, and the bug died.
Mm. That thing wasn't
Alright,
dead?
you guys really love
well, it
this.
is now.
Forget the samples. We need to go to extraction right now.
Oh,
No, we
jeez,
don't.
Rick.
Yeah, I'll just come over here.
Bitch. No, no. I have no guns. I shot so many rockets into it, I only have arms, or I have no arms, I only got little legs now. Yeah, no, we're running.
Yeah, nigga, I told you.
No, come towards me.
Oh, shit.
It's not getting any further now. Or... Hey, it's still going to it. Please, 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 please. Oh, there's another!
Oh, nice kill.
No, there's another! Please, 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 no! 6 seconds, you're fucking kidding.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Extraction is available.
Okay, Gatling barrage back up a little. Or get absolutely
Eliminated
fucking
by a
melted.
Bio-Titan.
You know what? Try landing on it, bitch.
Did that work?
Yes. Yo, you have spinners
Thank
coming up behind
God.
you.
Alright, I'm by extraction, fellas.
Okay, do not call it in yet.
I'm going into this fucking nest. I'm destroying this shit. Yo, fuck these invisible things.
Eagle 1, back in business.
I didn't give you permission to live.
That make look, he protected me. I'm not gonna hold you.
Stalker alert. Yeah, the armor on that thing's great. Especially like
I'll
when
call
you're
it
trying
in
to get
right
out of
now.
shit.
What the fuck are you talking about?
When you open up your map, and then you look to the left, you see the red complex stratagem plotting. Oh,
Nope.
well that's because you're shooting your fucking laser.
Damn, that shit is fucking crazy. Those see his mad lasers.
Oh, Nicky, watch out.
Shit.
Damn, I tried
Tossing a bomb over there.
Yo,
Run
he
for
just
it.
rammed through that shit. Oh!
ETA T-minus 3 minutes.
Yo, no shot that didn't kill it. No shot.
How am
no
I alive?
No, it didn't. Got him. Ooh, saving lives. Damn, I got nothing.
Yo, I'll punch you little bitches in the face.
Wow, seriously? Yo, swap me back.
Yo, ooh, come on. Stim! Yo, what is this game, dude? I stim, didn't work. Did it again, didn't work.
2.5 minutes. You guys to stay near it.
Call him, not me. Oh, I'm ass, bro.
It did both of you at the same time.
Oh, thank God.
I don't get a choice on who the fuck I call in.
Oh, I can't fucking believe this shit, bro. I just got out of my thing, got melted. This shit is nuts.
ETA T-minus 2
That's the
minutes.
last life.
Alright. How long is this thing getting?
Approved. Deploying reinforcements.
I called in my fucking bot. Don't drop it on the rock. Oh, thank God.
Light him up.
Yo, I just killed 32 fucking bugs. My game is lagging. Holy fuck.
There's a charger right in front of
Not
us.
anymore.
Yo, if I die from one of these things one more time, I
Dude.
swear to God.
How are you not dead? Now you are.
Oh my God, bro. What the fuck? This is my worst match all night, bro. What the hell?
Fuck! Oh my god!
ETA T-minus 1 minute.
The longest fucking 4 minutes in history, bro.
No, you're dead ass right now. Like, the longest 4 minutes in the history of gaming.
Like, what the actual shit? Fucking get here already. You're just above us.
That's called democracy. ETA T-minus 30 seconds.
Bring it on, motherfucker. Come on, charge. Clear my way.
Get some. ETA T-minus 20 seconds.
I tried.
Okay,
to help
let's call him in before we extract.
Yeah. Oh, why would you call that on me?
There's enemies over there.
There's literally one
Not
little
anymore.
tiny bug.
Pelican 1 arriving at coordinates.
Dude.
Nice.
Just try be careful because the ship is landing and shit.
I'm trying not to land on it.
Reinforcements on the way.
Yeah, because sometimes you go through it and end up under it and die. Oh, bug breach.
Get me out of here. Get me the
Get it.
fuck
Yo,
out
map
of
is
here.
empty. Let's get the fuck going. I'm stuck. Why? Okay.
Extraction complete. Pelican 1 beginning ascent.
I was
Jesus
about to be
fucking
low-key tight,
Christ.
I was stuck right there.
You have maintained our way of life.
You have maintained the ways of liberty.